Hello, my name's Simon Brown. I'm head of new build at Seacon Renewables. Today I want to talk to you about the changing building regs and what that means to house builders moving forward. So the changing building regs were introduced as the new future home standard back in 2019. And the ambition of the Future Home Standard was to ensure that we see significant carbon reductions by 80% in 2025 when houses are built in that period. So to be able to ensure that house builders are able to do that, some of the key components to be able to see those kind of carbon reductions within new build is via renewable technologies, for example, such as heat pumps. So to get to those kind of levels, there's what's known as an interim building standard going to be introduced of June of this year. And this is an interim regulation which basically has a 30% uplift within carbon reductions. So it's to ease the transition from where the building regs are currently to where they need to be in 2025. So it's absolutely crucial that house builders understand that from June of this year, further carbon reductions will have to be done on all their different house types. And the easiest ways of being able to do that is via heat pumps and renewable technologies. So just to very briefly introduce what heat pumps are about. So Seacon Supply, being a large distributor, the UK's largest independent distributor of heat pumps, we supply a variety of different manufacturers offering system solutions for house builders. So, of course, we offer a full range of air source heat pumps where they absorb energy from ambient air and convert this energy into heating system water, which then would heat your radiators or underfloor heating. Now, as Seacon is also being provided system solutions, we also provide a full range of heat pump ready unvented cylinders. So again, when it comes to house builders, they do have to take into account that a cylinder would have to be reintroduced into their house types. So an airing cupboard would have to be redesigned into all of the different house types to be able to provide the domestic hot water with a heat pump system. So also taking the opportunity, because the building regs do have now also state that you require a lower flow temperature to go around your heating system of 55 degrees. So all of your heating system, whether it was on a gas boiler or moving to a heat pump, would have to be redesigned at a lower flow temperature. And this is to future-proof, if you did stick with a gas boiler in the interim building regs, that it would be far easier to change that gas boiler 10 years down the line rather than upgrading the full heating system. Now, underfloor heating works really well with heat pumps, and this is certainly an avenue that house builders are looking at moving forward. Also, to obtain enough SAP required carbon savings, solar PV will become increasingly more popular within new build as well, and Seacon can offer full supply packages, not just on your heat pumps, your cylinders, your radiators, your underfloor, and also solar PV. But also within our expertise, we do have system solutions such as radiators, mechanical ventilation, and installation packs. Whilst these are all manufacturer specific, we do have a full install pack where it's really a one-stop shop for installers to be able to obtain all the correct material for their new build installations. And not only that, Seacon also do offer a very comprehensive pre-sales suite of goods, such as fully indemnified heating designs, also indemnified underfloor heating designs, radiators and towel rail sizing, room by room heat losses, All of these are MCS and NHBC compliant. We look at pipe sizing and heat pump locations, and also we provide in-depth SAP modeling data. So say, for example, if you wanted to compare one manufacturer against another on the SAP Appendix Q or the product characteristics database, that's something that we've looked at, and we can provide a certain amount of expertise to be able to ensure that the house builders and the new build market understands where they need to be at on their designing of new systems under the new building regs. So I've been Simon Brown. I'm the head of new build at Secon. My contact details are there. If you would like any further information, please do contact me. Thank you for your time.